Today I have Empties to share and mini reviews. I have this personal care flushable wipes. They say they're ultra clean. They are pH balanced. This is a bonus pack. You can flush these if you want. There is 50 wipes. Ultra soft, gentle on skin, made with plant-based fibers, free of alcohol, parabens, all that stuff. These were $1 in the dollar deals aisle at Dollar General, which is a great deal. However, I think these would be good to travel with. Don't think that I would repurchase them for regular bathroom use. They were kind of small, kind of thin. They were saturated with product, but these were not my favorite. I wouldn't go out of my way to like search for these and purchase more. Not that I didn't like them, just wasn't like that impressed. And then the Yardley, these are the on-the-go wipes. They are enriched with aloe vera, chamomile, vitamin E. You get 8 wipes in here. This thing is tiny. In the dollar deals aisle at Dollar General, these come in an 8-pack for $1. They're amazing. The Yardley wipes, always pick them up. Don't sleep on them if you need wipes. They are amazing. They're super saturated, super soft and soothing on the skin. They have a nice light scent. They are awesome. These little travel packs have come in handy. I love them. I definitely would repurchase them and totally regret not getting multiple packs of these when I found them in the first place. Equate cotton swabs. So these are the 100% pure cotton swabs, soft and gentle compared to the Q-tip brand, except Equate. You get 750 swabs in here. I do like buying the larger packages of cotton swabs because I have a container in the bathroom that I just refill. So it's convenient to have this already stocked in the cabinet. I believe this was about $3 and some change. So not bad for 750. And this lasted us forever. It seemed like forever. Definitely a good deal in my eyes and would definitely repurchase this again. $3 for 750. Yeah, this is a great deal. The VO5 Strawberries and Cream Moisturizing Conditioner softens and shines. 16.9 fluid ounces. It has 5 vitamins and oils. Paraben free, silicone free. It's supposed to be in a new size. Anyways, I love this clear packaging. Absolutely love it. I always love the scent of these VO5 shampoos and conditioners. They always smell so good. I did not use this on my hair. I used conditioner to shave with. So that is what I used it for. It works amazing if you have never, I sound like a broken record, but if you have never tried shaving with conditioner, definitely do. It is the most moisturizing, closest shave on your legs you're going to get. It's amazing. Don't knock it till you try it. I mean, it's great. I'm definitely going to repurchase it. The Caress Daily Silk White Peach and Orange Blossom. This is a moisturizing bar of soap. It says for noticeably silky, soft skin. It's so nice. It smells amazing. The scent lingers on your skin. You feel clean. It suds amazing. Yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. I bought it on a whim because my nanny used to use this and I was nostalgic for it, so I needed it and I picked it up and I'm loving it. So I've not used the entire bar, but I've used it enough and I saved the packaging so we could talk about it. So stuff is awesome, and I found it at the DollarTree for $1.25. From AOA Studio, I have the 5-blade razor kit. This is 7 pieces. This is $7 on shopmissa.com. This razor is amazing. It's fantastic. It works so good. 5 blades. This is, I believe, my 3rd razor kit. And of course, I do buy the refill heads as well. These are amazing. This is the best razor I've ever used, and I always have to talk about it. So you get, I believe, 5 of these heads. You get the handle, and you get, okay, here it is. And you get a little holder that you can stick in the shower. I don't ever use that holder, but it's there. But yeah, it shows 2 handles. You only get 1. So yeah, 1 handle, 5 cartridges, and 1 razor holder. $7 for all this. So amazing. Definitely try this out if you're in the market for a new razor. I've never had any razor burn, nicks, cuts, any of that stuff with these razors. They are amazing, truly. And I used up a DollarTree hand cream. This is in watermelon. I love the packaging to this. This was a 2-pack, 1.4 fluid ounces. This smelled great. I love the way that it smelled. It worked great. My only complaint, like always, is that it was a little thin. It was a little thin, the formula. So it feels like more of like a watered down lotion. But overall, I did use this up. It was nice. I would repurchase this again for packaging and scent alone. So cute. And then I have the Bodycology Winter Vanilla Fragrance Mist. This is Midnight Blueberry and Vanilla. Absolutely loved this scent. It did have a little bit of a sweeter, fruity essence to it, but it wasn't straight blueberry in my opinion. But it did have that kind of fruity scent with vanilla. It smells so good. The packaging is super cute on this. $5 at Walmart. You get 8 fluid ounces for $5. Comparable to Bath & Body Works. It lingers on the skin. It lingers on your clothing. It also says this winter vanilla is cool winter nights call for warm vanilla, jasmine, and sandalwood. Yeah, I guess I can kind of smell that sandalwood in there. And I love vanilla scents. They are my favorite. Yes, definitely repurchase this again. I did purchase the body cream of this the other day. And I will say that the body mist scent is stronger than the body cream. Just throwing it out there. So I'll definitely repurchase this body mist before I repurchase the cream. Even though the cream is amazing. All the Bodycology stuff is amazing. We've been repurchasing these. We like these. They come in a 3-pack. They are under $4. You get 80 per pack. And they have chamomile and aloe vera. These are so nice. The wipe is kind of on the thinner side. They do have a light scent, but they are extra soft. They say they're alcohol free and they have a fresh fragrance, which is all true. These are so nice. I like these better right now than the Parents' Choice ones, and they're a lot cheaper than the Parent Choice ones. So whenever we see these at Walmart, we pick them up. Definitely recommend. The Studio Selection Jumbo Cotton Balls. I love these cotton balls. These cotton balls are only $1 at Dollar General. $1, so cheaper than DollarTree, definitely cheaper than Walmart. I use them for toner and usually mostly nail polish removal. And they're large and they can be like split in half as well. I love these cotton balls. Definitely repurchase these all the time. I have 2 empty of these hand sanitizers. They're about this, like, I guess it's supposed to be filter. I had a box of these that John's dad had got. He likes to buy things in bulk, and he gave us a box of these. So I have 2 of these. One was in the kitchen, one was in the bathroom. Yeah, they're just a gel hand sanitizer. I would definitely purchase these if I ever saw them in store. They were nice. They had aloe in them. They weren't too hard on the hands. They did what they were supposed to. And overall, it was a nice hand sanitizer. I don't know what else to say about a hand sanitizer. And Connor used up the Colgate Watermelon Burst toothpaste. If you've been with me for a while, you know. You know. This is like the only toothpaste we purchased. He loves this one so very much. So we just purchased this. It is a green gel toothpaste. It smells amazing, and he's just loved this since he was little. This is the only one he ever wants to use. He does not like any of them other fruity type deal toothpaste. We tried so many, and so many cheaper alternatives to this as well, but he doesn't really like them. So we just continue to purchase the Colgate Watermelon Burst. Suave Invisible Solid Everlasting Sunshine Scent. This is a deodorant. I love Suave deodorant. This is not my favorite Suave deodorant. The scent, smelling outright, smells so good. I love the sunflower packaging because sunflowers are my favorite. But this just, I don't know. I didn't work with my body chemistry, I guess. The scent. Because the Suave deodorant works just fine. And that wasn't an issue. But like the scent with my body, I just didn't like it. So I won't be repurchasing this one. There was nothing wrong with the deodorant. It was the scent and my body. I do plan on purchasing Suave deodorant again. That is not a slide against Suave deodorant. Just a scent. This personal care body sugar scrub in the coconut lime. This is from the Dollar General, their Dollar Deals aisle. This was awesome. This was amazing. I love the scent of this one. It was tinted like a green color and it worked amazing. It was packed full of sugar. Just like I like it. I don't like it to be like super sparse. I also don't like it to be super abrasive either. But if I buy a scrub, I want it to be packed full. 4 ounces. So I would definitely repurchase this. And I think the packaging is cute as well. This is from DollarTree, and it's the Power Stick All Day Fresh Body Spray. John and Connor used this. This is 3.5 ounces in the scent Cool Blast. Before, in the Power Stick, we had this one that had like a woodsy, or like, I should just say, just outdoors woodsy scent, and it was like, had amber and some stuff like that in it. Oh my gosh, that one smelled amazing, and would repurchase that one 100 times over. Not the biggest fan of this one, like, in terms of like a female smelling it. Very, very loud. I mean, it worked. It worked for them. It lingered on their clothing. It lingered on their skin. You could smell it. Definitely several hours later. This scent is just not as good as the other scent that we purchased, and it's a little loud, like super loud. So I think that John probably would get this one again, but if I had to choose, I would just choose the other woodsy scent. This one's a very like loud, fresh, yeah, an energizing scent. It definitely is. And for the price, I'm not mad at it. I'm just saying that the other scent was much better. And then I finally used up, this is a copycat or knockoff Ariana Grande. I'm not entirely sure. I can't even name a song she sings, so let's be honest. This is a dupe for her cotton candy perfume. This was nice. I did find this at Five Below. I would not repurchase it because it's not my favorite kind of scent. I was hoping it would be more of a sweet cotton candy scent, but instead it is kind of like cotton candy mixed with like floral or something. It was just okay. I will say it lingered for a couple hours on the clothing, but then completely went away. I found myself reapplying this multiple times during the day, and for it to be a knockoff, that's to be expected. I'm not mad at it. It was only $5. The packaging is cute. But the scent itself, I did use it all up, but I don't think that I would repurchase it again. But I do love the bottle. And that is the last item that I have to share and review today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, found the reviews helpful. Maybe you will try some of these products out for yourselves. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.